How to view Play Store download history. That's what I will show. How to view Play Store download history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Play Store. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the top right corner. Then click on Manage Apps and Device. And here you need to click on the Manage tab. You will land on this page right here, in which you will be able to find all of the installed and uninstalled apps download history. Now in the top left corner you will see this drop down that says installed, which means that you are on the installed apps download history section, in which you will be able to find all of the installed apps. Now if you clicked on that drop down, it will give you the option to change to the not installed or the uninstalled apps, in which you will be able to find all of the apps that were installed and uninstalled from the device, which means it will give you the uninstalled apps download history. And you can go back and forth between the installed and uninstalled apps to see the download history. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can check the Play Store download history. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.